Our namesake, Charles Kettering, didn't wait for the future. He built it. From the first electric starter to a solar power apparatus, 186 patents that got the world moving. But he also built a mindset. Real progress happens in the work. Today, Kettering Bulldogs run on the same fuel. They learn by doing. They build, break, and rebuild until it works. They test ideas in the lab, prove their skills in co-op or competition, and hit the ground running. They build on the legacy of our university's founders, solving problems in real time, turning rough plans into patents, and leading the breakthroughs the world depends on. Because we've always been built for those who set the pace, for the driven innovators of today and tomorrow.